a.m. At 7:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along the line extending from near Minnesota Key to 40 nautical miles west of our tower, moving east at 30 knots. Waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Gasparilla Island, Englewood, Fort Myers Beach, Minnesota Key, Captiva, Sanibel, Don Pedro Island, and Bonita Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The tapping.